What's up, y'all? So I took the Lexus to Hardrock Off-Road. It's like the only off-road park near Central Florida that has any kind of hills. And boy, did we find some slippery, rocky, muddy hill climbs to test this thing out on. It's now triple locked, it's got bigger tires, a better front suspension. All the mods work great. Did have a little whoopsie and slid the back into a tree and caused some body damage, tree slash rocks. It happens. But yeah, this is a great place to go prove you're not a mall crawler. All right, so we're at Hardrock Off-Road Park. It's one of the only things in Florida, Central Florida, that has climbs, which is great. Unfortunately, it rained a lot last night, and it's really slick, so we couldn't even make it up this little baby hill. So we're airing down right now. So I'm backing down in drive, if you can't tell. You see that tree there has gotten a lot of love from people in this same exact situation. Well, we just made some body contact. As that happens, the best thing to do is hook up the winch and go forward. Don't let the truck bounce around anymore and cause more damage than you already caused. I haven't looked at it yet. I don't know how bad it is. It's probably pretty bad. I should have started winching before that happened, obviously, but I felt like I could get it. I didn't think it was sticking out quite that far. But yeah, that's really bad. That'd be some expensive body work to fix it.
Okay, that works.
Using my new reinforced lower control arm tabs, big time. Well, I made that as easy as possible.